Hey guys, it's Diane Mary, and what is going on? Yeah, we're gonna get to this. So if you don't know me, hi, my name is Diane. I have a curly hair YouTube channel and blog and Instagram. If you follow me already, thank you so much. If not and you like me, please subscribe. Thumbs up, comments, always helpful. Far from a perfect human being, never ever claimed to be. The irony of me having a hair channel is I never claim to have perfect hair, because clearly I do not. So, wasn't expecting to do this video. Was not expecting to record today. In fact, I wanted to have a very lazy wash day, which I did. And now here we are, and just looking at this, I said I have to hop on camera. So what happened is, this piece is a pain in my butt, but today's Wednesday. I usually never wash my hair on Wednesday. Lately, I've been having to wash my hair 3 times a week, some weeks, instead of my usual 2, because it is summer. And because I do very sweaty workouts and I've been going to the beach more so for my scalp health than my hair that really just needs that extra cleansing. Guys, do not ignore your scalp. Do not underestimate your scalp health. Most importantly, if weird stuff is going on with your scalp, if it feels itchy, irritated, if it hurts, too much hair loss, please go see a dermatologist or a trichologist. I'm not a medical professional, never claiming to be. That's not even what this video is about, but I feel like you could always use a reminder, right? Anyway, so here is this wash day. So I said to myself, because when I was going to wash, after I worked out, I knew I had to wash my hair again. I said, I just don't feel like doing the whole routine today. I'm just going to wash it, let it be, see what happens. And this is what happened. And first I'm going to show it to you, then I'm going to explain what I did. So we got the sides, and you can see my hair is damaged from crappy products. If you follow me, you know I could probably use more trim. I feel like that's more evident now that my hair is brushed out. But that's this side. Then we got this side. By the way, despite the frizz and puff, my hair feels so ridiculously soft. It's like silk. It actually feels quite incredible. So that's the side. Let me just see the back. And then this is the back. Okay. So first thing I'm going to say is the length. I mean, I love this length. When it's brushed out, oof. My hair could get here when it's curly and longer. I will be one happy girl. These front things. But alright, so did I brush my hair when it's wet? I did. Carefully, of course. So I washed and conditioned my hair. I did actually, while I worked out, when I realized I was going to want to wash my hair after I worked out, I did put the Tweaked Restore Rejuvenating Oil in my hair. It is a solid oil. It's really nice. It smells delicious. It smells like coffee, and I think it helps with breakage. It's silicone free. It helps with shine. So that was in my hair while I worked out. And then I shampooed and conditioned without doing a mask, without leaving conditioner on too long, like the things I usually won't do on my Wednesday wash. So I actually went in with the Function of Beauty shampoo and conditioner, and I've been kind of adding these to my mix for the past few washes. If you read my blog, thank you. If you follow me on Instagram, I have mentioned them. Gonna have a dedicated review to these soon, so stay tuned. I like that there's a smaller shampoo than conditioner, but went in with the shampoo, cleanse my hair, let it sit a few minutes, went in with the conditioner, let that sit for the rest of my shower, body wash, exfoliate, shaved and everything. So rinse it out with cold water. My hair already felt soft. So then the first thing I did was I took my Aqua's hair towel. I have that here. Let me grab it. So I took my favorite hair towel ever. This is my Aqua's hair towel that I always mention and I forget to show, but where's the little logo guy? Here we go. So first I took my Aqua's hair towel and I gently wrung out all of the water on my soaking wet hair. And then I didn't put much styling products in. I went in with a leave-in and oil. That's it. So for my leave-in, I used one of the Save Me From Tip to Root hair reboots. Absolutely love these. I've been talking about them quite a bit. So I used one of these. I used a Pollution Assault one today. If you don't know what they are treatments targeted at specific damage for your hair. There are 6 of them. I go through all of them because my hair is damaged by so many different things. The pollution one is if you live in a polluted area. This one adds shine to the hair. It has antioxidants in it if you've been outside a lot. So I used this as my leave-in conditioner. Then I sealed it with an oil. For an oil, I went in with the Pros Custom Oil Blend. I absolutely love it. Just realized I have 2 competitor custom hair care brands over here, but love to all, right? There's no reason for me to stick to one brand unless they're paying my livelihood. But why not, right? But love this oil, so I sealed with this oil, just a leave-in, and then the oil, did it in sections. Then I took this Tech wooden brush, which I've been loving this wooden brush on the days that I do a French braid in my hair, and I just like gently actually took all my hair. Actually, I'll show you what I did. I actually put it all back like this and brushed it very gently. These bristles feel so good. There's something I read about wooden brushes that when they hit your scalp, it like is some type of acupressure therapy. I don't know, but I had it back like this, and then I took this little Save Me From, I guess like a buff if you want to call it, and when my hair was air drying, I just took it and I let it air dry like this. The reason I did that was because my front hairline pieces dry crazy and I didn't feel like just clipping them. Plus it kept my hair out of my face and I didn't have to think about it all day because today I just wanted it to be lazy. I mean, I have no makeup on or anything today. Like we're really going at it. So let it air dry like this, and then once it was completely dry, because the thing with my hair, it's damaged, and I feel like you actually really see where my hair is healthy and damaged. The ends of my hair are a lot poofier and frizzier than the top sections. So I took this OA Precious Wax, which is one of my favorite products from OA, and I just went in, once my hair was all dry, just on the bottoms, ran it through, and then, you know, gently brushed it a little more. Gently brushed it a little more, and that actually calmed quite a bit of the frizz. Believe it or not, the bottom of my hair was a lot frizzier than this. It's like 80% humidity, but I just want to show you guys up close too before I leave. You could see when my hair is brushed out, like look how healthy the top part of my hair, like the undamaged part from crappy products is. Hope you could see. And then like the bottom's all frizzier, so I'm excited like once my hair grows more and I could grow out the damage to see. But like look at this shine, like oh my god, that shine is like awesome. So like these will eventually slowly get trimmed, and I'm not gonna cut my hair short because I'm terrible with short hair. But yeah, I figured I brushed it out, something different. Let me show it to you guys. Probably next time when I do this again, I'm gonna use less conditioner on the top of my hair, since the top of my hair is so much healthier now than I realized, and maybe the top won't be like, it won't be so triangly, you know. And I know some people are like, oh, just go get layers. I don't like layers in that for me, and the most important thing about how your hair is cut is that you personally like it. So yeah, alright, I'm done. Talked a lot. Thumbs up, comment, subscribe if you like this very random video with different hair that's probably only going to get bigger because it is so humid. Alright, I'll see you guys next time. Thank you for watching. Oh, by the way, I do have discount codes actually. I just realized for almost everything. Not the brush, but Save Me From. I have a link in the bio. They have 2 active promo codes on the site you could use with the link. Thank you so much if you shop through the link. I have pros, I forget if it's $10 or $15 or if I get credit to the site. Function of Beauty, I think it's $20 or if you purchase, I'd get credit to the site. And then Away, holistichairtribe.com, code HHT3068. You save $5 and I get some more commissions. So if you want to use them, awesome, amazing. It helps me out. Thank you so much. If you don't want to use them, guys, that's totally cool too. I get it. But all right, done for you. Bye.